Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. This has turned into a whole pie making day, which is fine because I've learned a lot. I'm making the gluten free with this almond gluten free flour by Bob's Red Mill. I have no idea. It's just what they had. It's what I chose. I thought the almond flavor might be even better on a pie. Okay, let me tilt this down. I'll pin it in a minute because I found that question out too. I got to still pin it. This is going to be the gluten-free rendition of the lemon chess. Okay, so I have made, Lord, I hope it turns out, y'all. I have made a gluten-free pie crust. I need to make a little more room here because I want to get this thin enough. So if y'all are just joining me for the first time, I have made 2 lemon chess pies with Meyer lemons, and this is kind of the test kitchen day because I've never done that. And now, I didn't make that crust. I had that in the freezer and used what I had in the freezer. And I'm gonna post a picture of that. But I don't have anything gluten-free in the freezer, so I had to take a break, put some clothes on, and run to the grocery store. But now, I bought 2 bags of that, so maybe I'll have some on hand. Now here's what I'll tell you. If you're talking about or wanting to go gluten-free and you're a baker, this is what I'm learning. Hold on. I do have to keep pinning this, y'all. CookingCuttingUp.com. Okay. Oh, then I gotta pin it home. Yay! Did I spell it right? Yeah. Yay. Okay. So I'm gonna try this. This might not be something that you try at home without some experience, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see it live. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. My oven is at 350 degrees. Now let me see if I can just turn this booger. Okay, look, I just gotta do it. I gotta be like Frank Sinatra and do it my way, okay? I'm just gonna dump that sucker. Yep, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna hope that it peels off of here pretty easy, because honestly, that's the biggest difference I can tell for myself in homemade pie crust in regular all-purpose flour and gluten-free flour. Can y'all see that? Hold on. Okay, so I'm going, no I'm not. Hold on. Let me back the truck up. Beep, 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 beep. I'm gonna do this first. You have to really think about this if you're wanting to do completely gluten-free for someone. I'm just saying. Don't get me wrong. Wentifred is definitely worth it and all that, but you do, I do, have to really think about it. Let me get this out of the way. Anyway, I sprayed my pie pan with a little bit of cooking spray, and I am going to, when I get this position right, I'm gonna bake this first, just like it is, for about 8 to 10 minutes on 350. And I'll get back to you on a definite time. But honestly, the last time I made gluten-free pie crust, I did bake it first before I put my pie filling in. And Wentifred and I figured after we ate it, because, you know, we snuck it in on the rest of them. It was the night that Duke played Carolina. And we snuck it in on the rest of the fam and didn't tell them that it was gluten-free. And honest to God, as God is my witness, my picky family did not even ask. So I'm just saying, I'm not gluten-free, thank the Lord. But if you are, and you want to do gluten-free, or if you have loved ones that are gluten-free, if I can do it, anybody can do it, y'all. Okay? That's what I'll tell you. I'll show you a picture of this when it comes out of the oven. I also added to my lemon chess pie, instead of adding a tablespoon of flour and a tablespoon of cornmeal like it called for, I did 2 tablespoons of almond flour. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I hope it turns out. That's all I can tell you. I'll show you a picture. All right, guys. See ya. Hey, y'all. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Look, I just wanted you to see. I didn't want to take a photo this time. I took a photo of the other pies with the store-bought frozen pie crust. This one is the gluten-free pie crust and gluten-free lemon chess pie. Now, here's what I'll tell you. What I read about the word chess pie is that it came from way back when ladies were like, well, what you gonna bring to the church social? And they'd say, just pie, just pie. I really read this. I can't make this up. Anyway, therefore, just pie, J-U-S, became chess pie. That's what I read. Anyway, to this pie, while it's warm, I am going to add a couple of scoops of blueberry pie filling. Lemon and blueberry go so well together, and I want to do it while it's warm. Again, test kitchen today, y'all. Test kitchen. And I am going not to over accessorize here. I am going to pin the website in a minute, if I can remember. And then I am going to take a spatula, ever so gently, when I find a, yes, spatula, just a thin one. And I'm gonna just, so that I don't risk the integrity of the pie, it's gonna take more than that. Hold on. Oh, this is gonna splatter, Lisa. Yes, it is. Bad idea. Bad idea. Hold on. You know, sometimes I make really poor choices because I want to be in a hurry. Because right now I want to go ice my knee, which if y'all can see my foot, the ice pack is around my ankle now because I got up when the timer went off. Y'all are probably like, I didn't need to know all that, but now you do. Let's just do this. I kind of thought it would spread out because it's warm, but obviously it didn't. So let's just do this. Sure enough. There you go. Boom. And I am going to make some homemade whipping cream to take with this pie to my best good friend, Wentifred. That's what I'm doing in my kitchen today, or I have done, and now I am done. You know what I'm saying? Let me pin this website. that do it? Please let me do it the first time. Right? That's it. That's it. Anyway, I will let you know if it's boom or if it is bomb.com when we cut it later. All right. Now I'm going to rest. Have a restful afternoon, y'all. See ya.